Hi, this is Bobby at T.Majors Repair, and this is power supply board DPS-285BP used in Sharp LG 80LE642U. This board was sent to you here, and a customer has done, or somebody on behalf of the customer has done a lot of repairs for it. Some of them we don't quite like, and we either have to go and redo all of them, which will cost additionally, or we'll have to just deliver it functional with the repairs that were done and no warranty on it. It's up to the customer which way they will choose. For the time being, I'm just showing that what was wrong with the board is now working as customer themselves has said, and they will recognize their board because of the signature, their signature up there. There were 13 volts missing from the board, and this is the power to the board. This is my simple plug, and somewhere here is where the 13 volts should show up. Of course, it shouldn't be in min-max mode. This is where the 13 volts are. And this is where we test. I believe we have a video showing. This is where the 12 volts on the very bottom pin here. I have a hard time pressing that button that allows me to activate the T-con voltage. So that is working. Some things need to be redone in order for this to be in my book, a proper repair. Some of the solder joints on the back, some components I would go and replace. If you look at that, you should understand why. This is a half side driver, and this is the other half, and one transistor has gone and the other wasn't. One of the capacitors here was blown. We did replace the others. It is just automatic. We didn't replace the transistor, so it's up to the customer to decide what they want to do. No warranty or extra money for proper repair. I can show more on the back, but we're in the business of repairing, not so much education. Sorry, we just don't have the time, resources to do it. Thank you very much, and best of luck.